Hello friends, and welcome back to my kitchen, the heart of the home with me, Nuris. Today we will be making broad beans curry. These are the ingredients. The full recipe is linked in the description box below. To begin, I'm going to be adding a diced onion to the oil, which I've already added to my pot. Now once the onions are translucent, I'm going to go in with my whole spices. So I've got bay leaf, anise seed, cardamom, a clove and a cinnamon stick. So I'm going to be using 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. And we want to give this a good mix. Some turmeric powder. So I'm going to follow this with the usual dhania powder, jeera powder and somph powder. So I will be adding in some tomatoes and curry leaf. We want to give everything a nice good stir. Some masala. And I have already pre-boiled my broad beans. I have about 300 gram broad beans. We want to top this up with water. Now we'll cover this and let this cook for a while before I add in the potatoes. So it turns out that this broad beans is not very soft cooking, although I have pre-boiled it. It's been taking forever. So I'm going to be adding in the potatoes at this point, but this broad beans has been cooking for about 30 minutes already. Some salt for taste. And I will top this up with water as well. So I'm going to cover this and let this cook until the potatoes are soft. So this was actually after about an hour and 15 minutes. The potatoes are soft and it's where I need it to be. And that is the lovely tasty broad beans, guys. You can serve this with roti. It's best served with roti, but I served this with some basmati rice and other vegetables. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.